Ever wondered how old you need to be to start investing? Or maybe you've been thinking about financial independence but weren't sure where to begin. Well, today, we're diving into a popular micro-investing app called Raiz. Specifically, we're answering the burning question, how old do you have to be to open a Raiz account? Before we dive into the age requirements, let's quickly recap what Raiz is. It's a fantastic app that allows you to invest spare change. You link your bank account, and Raiz automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. It's a simple, hands-off way to grow your wealth over time. The age requirement. So, how old do you need to be to start your investment journey with Raiz? The minimum age to open a Raiz account is 18 years old. This is a standard requirement across most financial institutions, including online investment platforms. Why the age restriction? You might be wondering, why 18? Well, there are a few reasons for this age restriction. Legal and regulatory compliance. Financial institutions are subject to various laws and regulations, including those related to age restrictions. These regulations are in place to protect minors and ensure that investment decisions are made by individuals who are legally capable of understanding the risks involved. Maturity and financial literacy. Investing involves risk. It's essential to have a certain level of financial literacy and maturity to make informed investment decisions. An 18-year-old is generally considered to have reached a level of maturity where they can understand the concepts of investing, risk, and return. Tips for young investors. If you're under 18, don't worry. There are still ways to start your financial journey. Educate yourself. Read books, watch videos, or take online courses about personal finance and investing. Understanding the basics of investing will be invaluable when you reach the legal age to start. Set financial goals. Whether it's saving for a car, a house, or retirement, having clear financial goals can motivate you to save and invest. Open a savings account. A savings account is a great way to start saving money. It's a low-risk option that can help you build a financial cushion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.